Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AMB Review. Today I will show you an exclusive review for SlideMotion, so let's check it out. SlideMotion. A miraculous collection of high-converting, slide animation templates, with unrestricted PLR, to sell as your own. And keep 100% of the profits. Brand new 2023 100% unique, never released before. No need PowerPoint, Keynote and more presentation software. You can see also the vendor Arafianto Rahardi, SlideMotion official website demo review video.
Are you searching for the fastest and simple way to start a profitable business online? Welcome to the Secret Ways outstanding digital product ready to sell without download and install anything. It's time for you to create and sell the mind-blowing slide animation templates for your unlimited buyers starting today. Imagine. Today you can create and sell eye-catching slide animation templates to your customer without installing and download files. Just access, edit, export and sell on your social media, website, or anything. Yes, this time is perfect to generate your passive income by selling animation templates. But the problem is, how do successful digital marketers generate income online without the headache of downloading and installing templates and many other problems? Introducing SlideMotion. +500 mind-blowing Canva animated slide templates. With private label rights to sell it as your product and generate 100% profits with minimum effort. It's an all-in-one animated slide tool for unlimited traffic and sales. Your slide animation templates are ready to use and sell in a few seconds. No more create yourself, no more stress, no more wasting time, and no more download files. SlideMotion comes full of tools you need to grab buyers' attention, with animated slides using just the Canva free account. Say hello to a new era of efficiency and success. Just copy and paste the link. So easy to create and sell high-quality animation slides like professional now. Check out our templates. Just 3 simple steps using SlideMotion. Step number 1, log in and select a template. Step number 2, customize the template with Canva. Step number 3, export and present. If you want to sell, just copy and paste the SlideMotion template link, and your templates are ready to sell in a few seconds. The best part is, you will get a private label right license only for this launch period. So you can keep 100% profit you make by selling SlideMotion templates. Now stop wasting your time and money trying to create high-quality slide animations for your business. SlideMotion helps you with countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price SlideMotion will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below. and access SlideMotion with special discount prices plus a private label rights.